How you doing?
Hey, good. How you doing?
Hey.
It's a beater, man.
Yeah. It's nice to see one of these out here, you know, doing what they were actually built to do.
That's pretty good.
You don't see many of these around anymore.
No. The wiring's not my fault. I didn't do that.
Is this pretty much stock, or you've done a lot to it?
It's pretty much stock. It's still got the original engine in it, 177,000 miles. Smokes a little bit. I put the front mount intercooler on it, and it's got a little better exhaust, and that's about it. And then it's got some lowering springs on it. Everything else is pretty much original on the seats.
These do so much better than the GTs, you know, with the weight distribution, the light.
Yeah, I mean, you can look how far back the engine is. You know, I mean, with the V8 car, it's all the way up.
What kind of horsepower does this thing do?
They were 205 stock. So with the miles and stuff, maybe a little over that.
You just run stock boost and everything on there?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, that's on. I got the just looped, so it runs 15 pounds boost. That's it.
85?
84. So,
what gears are in the rear end? Is it 355s or?
It's either 355s or 350s. I can't remember which. Yeah.
I bet this thing's a blast to drive on the track.
Yeah, I think this is the first year of dying with this like that.
Hang on to it. It's probably gonna be worth something one day.
Yeah. Keep it out of the tire big.
At some point, you know, you can always kind of park it and maybe restore it.
Yeah, it needs paint, needs some love, but yeah, that's it. The front boot.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, because they had the intercooler that sat under the scoop.
That's right. Yeah, they
right
kind of
above the turbo, and that thing would get heat soaked in about 2 seconds.
I guess so, because you know that's
above the turbo,
the exhaust and all.
Yeah.
It just goes right up. So yeah, and the turbo there. Pretty cool, man. Yeah, you don't see many of these anymore.